Hey, what's up, guys? I'm down for the night here in just south of Saratoga Springs, New York. Mr. Student went home for the night, and I'm gonna go out and venture around. I just got done taking me a little half-hour nap. I'm gonna stop in this little truck stop real quick, give me something to go to the bathroom. As you can see, the truck is right there, and there's a grocery store about a half mile down the road that is called Harry Cheaters or something like that. But apparently they've got lobster and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see about getting me some lobster possibly for dinner. So we'll see what we can find. So come along for the walk. I'll see you guys along the way. Bye. Got a little sign right there that says Dan's Miniature Golf. Yeah, it's kind of weird. And temporary home of Round Lake Hose Company. And there's some fire trucks in there. So, kind of neat. Like the fire department is being condemned and the place is under construction. Interesting. Just let me go drive. Oh, that's supposed to be. Overgrown. Just keep on. Almost ran over my bicycle. This person wants to ride their bike and walk away. The strip mall hired by Park Center. Little strip mall thing is kind of different. The handicap is parking in the building. Only in New York. Only in New York. Let me see this. Kitchen and bath and more. But they're some expensive work in there. I'm walking right by there. In the liquor store. With the dog in the car. Yeah. Do some waxing. Hannafords.
There you go. This guy actually, you know what? He's got a little. He doesn't have a lot of life in him, so I'm gonna grab you another.
Yeah, he looks like he's been hit right there.
Yeah. Oh! There we go. So yeah, this will be about 20 minutes. Come back and they'll be ready for you.
Alright, thanks. I'll put this lid back on the screen.
Yes, thank you.
What's up, YouTube? I'm in the 8055 Cafe this evening here in Saratoga Springs, New York. Cooking me up some good old grub. Right this moment, I got me a little bit of local butter here. It's called Kate's butter. Put a little bit of this in my my Ninja right there. I've got some onions and mushrooms. But the main thing right this second is I'm gonna sear me down this sirloin steak, okay? But that's not the show, the star of the show here, guys. I got more to come, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put this in this pan real quick and get a little bit of sear. I got it on high so we can hear it sizzle. Hold on. All right, guys, this is my steak. I got peppercorns, sea salt, a little basil. I got it up to almost room temperature. I'm gonna take the seasoning side down. Oh, and can you hear that? Yeah, I know that's a big steak, guys, but it's gonna be a good addition to my dinner. But that's not the star of the show right here, but it does look good. So let me put some seasoning on this side of the meat, and I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, look here. I got seasoning on that side of the meat. It's still in there sizzling up all nice and good and everything. Got me some onions, some portobello mushrooms. There's a Pebble. She's on the phone with me via Indianapolis while I'm up here in Saratoga Springs. Do you guys really want to know what the star of the show is today? Man, oh man. It's right here in this bag, guys. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Oh, let's see. Hannaford quality seafood, heat chilled. Alright. Look at that. Yes, people, I got me 2.675 pounds of lobster for $5.99 a pound. For only $16.02. Now I'm only going to eat one of these little suckers. It's cooked. They cook these things for me. Look at that. Look at that lobster. It's in juice, steamed. I got these about 30 minutes ago, and we're going to have to take him out of his little bag right there. They're still warm, and cook them up for you. Yeah, guys, look at that. That's something I've never had in the 8055 cafe right there. Maine lobsters, cooked, steamed in the truck. They're still nice and hot. I'm gonna eat the tails off of one of these and eat the claws off of one of them. I'll take the other one and I'm gonna take and break it down and put it in a bag and eat that one there tomorrow. But it's gonna complement that steak real well on a Memorial Day weekend. So we're gonna have us some onions and mushroom with some steak and some lobster tail. That's what we're having for dinner. Why, Pebble sits right there and stares off to nothing in Indianapolis. Just look at that face, that's so funny. Smile! You're on Candy Camera. Say hi, YouTubers. So, that's what we're doing right now, guys. That's what's for dinner. What's at your house? What's on your plate? For me, here at 8055 Cafe, it's lobster and steak. Alright, guys, I went ahead and broke down the 2 lobsters. There was a lot of water and stuff in it. I'm trying to keep it from making a mess in my truck here. But there's my steak. I'm cooking some mushrooms and onions in with the steak. I'm going to be able to slice that up, having a nice medium rare steak with dinner. There's my lobster. That's all broke down. There's 2 tails. Tails aren't very big, but there's I'm gonna go ahead and eat both of them tonight, so I don't have to worry about it. There's claw meat, and it's nice and sweet, guys. Hold on, I'll show you. It's a little piece of the claw meat here, or arm meat. Very tender, very delicious, very sweet. I've never had lobster this sweet. Tastes a lot like crab. But very, very good. And you can see how big the tails are. There's a tail. Well, look at that. And I took it out of the shell. Nice and curly. Can't wait till I can dig into this. I don't think I even have to get any garlic butter for that. It's nice and sweet. Straight protein. Good for the keto diet. And I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight, guys. But I'll show you what it all looks like after I'm all done with it. But right now, I need to take that bag of shells out to the trash, because I don't want it to smell fishy in here tomorrow when it starts getting hot. So I gotta get that a little cleaned up out of here. So that's why I went ahead and broke all of it down and gonna get it out of the truck. But that's gonna be like sushi. But that's what I'm doing, guys. Be right back with you. All right, guys. My steak is done. It's resting. There's my lobster meat. There's a wife saying hi. Cooked it all in my Ninja right there. Gonna throw a little dab of Worcestershire sauce on this, just to give it a little bit more flavor. The lobster meat, it was nice and sweet, so I'm just gonna eat it as is. And I already cut this because I'm on a little fork, but that's what the meat looks like. And I let it steam a little bit with the mushrooms and onions, but that's what we have. So flip this around. But this is my piece of meat that I just cut. I'm gonna, nice and tender, melts in your mouth. My piece of lobster, and hold on 1 second. Gonna take in a nice and sweet, very, very good. Good little dinner for being in a truck up here in Saratoga Springs, New York. But you guys have a great day. Have a good holiday. Be safe. Don't drink and drive. And I'm gonna get off here and I'm gonna watch me some football or some Shark Tank or something. But see you later. Wish you were here in 8055 Cafe. Bye bye.